Hi, I'm Poke Violon, and today we're going to be making, it's not a meal, but more like a treat, like something like if you just made some popcorn and you sat down in front of the TV and you start to eat it. It's a meal that my mom used to make as kids, and actually deeper in Mexico, you see them here and there. It's a type of roasted corn, but my mom has always called it Esquite, which is Spanish for corn, a type of corn in Mexico. And what we're going to do today is, if you just go to your supermarket, you have to buy it. Has to be frozen. It cannot be canned corn. But like this one is an HEB brand called Super Sweet Corn. It's in the frozen section. And for this treat that we're going to make today, all you need to feed 2 people is just one of these smaller bags, which is the frozen corn. You just need obviously a little bit of olive oil in a pan. As you can see, that's getting hot right now. And then just salt, which you're just going to use just to taste up to your level. And we're going to combine that, and we're going to make this treat. And all we're going to do is we're going to fry it long enough for it to brown to your taste. And that's it. As a matter of fact, you see this when they roast the corn on the cob itself on top of an open fire to where it browns in certain parts. And but we're going to do that with the corn today. So let's go ahead. We're going to add the corn, and this thing, it has to be hot because you don't want it to get soggy. And all we're going to do is we're just going to put it in the pan. You're just going to start to fry it. It's going to get brown, and we're going to check on it a little bit later just to see how it goes. As you can see, it's starting to brown, which is good. And at this stage, I'm going to remove some of the corn, because this is the stage that my wife likes to eat her corn. So I'll remove it from there, and I'll continue to cook it till it gets even browner for my liking. Okay, now as you can see how toasty it is, and this is the way I like it for me and a lot of people. So what we're going to do now it's ready to serve. So what we're going to do is we're going to back up. You have to have a couple of paper towels on the counter. I've got a patent pending on this technique. So we're going to scoop all the corn onto this paper towel. Because remember, we started with some olive oil at the beginning, which there's very little olive oil left in the pan. And then just take this, kind of smooth it around a little bit. And then I roll it a little bit like a cigar right there, and pour it into the bowl. And if we move right over here and you take a look at it, that's your Esquite, a great snack. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.